From building vast irrigation tanks and reservoirs in the Deccan by Rani Rudrama Devi, to constructing hundreds of wells, step wells and river ghats across India by Ahilyabai Holkar, to developing harbours and coastal water infrastructure along the western shores of Karnataka by Rani Abbaka Chautha, from protecting Himalayan forests that nurture the rivers of northern India by Radha Bhatt and the women of the Chipko movement, from planting thousands of trees that restore soil, recharge groundwater and sustain ecosystems by Salu Marada Thimaka, to building small earthen dams across Rajasthan's deserts that revive the flow of the Arwari river by thousands of unnamed village women, and from shaping policies that guide water conservation and restoration across modern India by Sunita Narain. Across centuries, from reservoirs to rivers, from forests to fields, women have helped shape the journey of water itself. This year, on World Water Day, we at Jiva Water Farm Devices celebrate the incredible contribution of women in water restoration.